Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the maximum love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick one to share with you. One that's the normalization event and see. This is Progress the Analyst, and here I keep you updated and I tell you the truth, nothing but the truth. I try to bring everything to your notice, all the information to you. Now, we all saw yesterday when the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, appeared before the court. A lot happened, all the drama, everything. I believe you watch it and you listen to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. From the very first beginning, I normally say that there is no difference between Simon Ekpa and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I said if you follow Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for a very long time, and you start listening to Simon Ekpa, you will know that these people, they are in the same line. A lot of people then said, I don't know what I'm talking about, that I don't know anything about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, what did I know, blah, blah, blah. But today, everything is playing out. That is why I think the people that are in support to say they should crucify Simon Ekpa, that Simon Ekpa is working with the federal government of Nigeria, that he should be crucified, he should be arrested, he should be this, he should be renditioned back to Nigeria. Oh, the very first time they say, oh, if you can get rid of Simon Ekpa, that means Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be released. I, Progress the Analyst, I said it's capital no. That is a lie. That is just a way to frame the situation up. But a lot of people did not believe me. What is not playing out? In fact, everybody wants Simon Ekpa to be out of the way, knowing fully well that they thought that fighting Simon Ekpa or helping the federal government to get Simon Ekpa out of the way, then the possibility of releasing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be well established. We never knew that this message was passed to everyone who wants Simon Ekpa out of the way. Oh my goodness. It is a tough time. It is a tough period. Everything is tough. People that once called themselves agitators, people that once said they are fighting for freedom, want Simon Ekpa out of the way. And people were asking, what is so special? What is it that these people that said they are fighting the same cause with Simon Ekpa finally want Simon Ekpa out of the way? What could have been the problem? We never knew that there were a lot of promises.
He did something in my case. I accused him. He was conscious official.
Now that Simon Ekpa is out of the way, the federal government of Nigeria said, thank all of you that make it possible to get Simon Ekpa out of the way. But mind you, there is no difference between Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and Simon Ekpa. To cut the long story short, we all witnessed this yesterday. Take a look.
Anybody who disagrees with this order of court, go to appeal court. That's what you tell me all the time. You are conscious official. You cannot preside over this case number again. Not in this life. You cannot. Not now, not tomorrow, not ever. A woman here cannot force this court to preside on my case. You cannot. Not today, not till forever. You are recused and you stand recused. Tell the chief judge, Nnamdi Kanu said, go on appeal. I recused him from my case. The state recused Justice Adema from my case. I did not insist Adema must hear my case. I never insisted. So why must you insist to hear my case? I don't want you in my case. I don't need you in my case. You are biased. You are biased. You cannot be in my case. A woman should do the right thing. A chairman of the board of directors prosecution is impropriety. Nowhere in the world is such nonsense done. You cannot be hobnobbing with lawyers, hobnobbing with justices, and you're prosecuting a case. It's shameful. Absolutely shameful. Shameful. This is a record of law. This is a shrine to injustice. And I will not subject myself to it. You stand recused and you must take my case. You cannot buy me.
Hey, this is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. This is why I said, Abba, the Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that we all know, that we all see, will never one day say, oh, I'm not in support of Simon Ekpa. This is not true. This is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in action. This is the Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that everybody knows. And a lot of people were saying, oh, why will Mazi Nnamdi Kanu be talking in the law courts? Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not supposed to talk. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is supposed to respect. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu don't have respect. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu should be this, should be that. Now that Simon Ekpa is out of the way, you didn't hear Mazi Nnamdi Kanu they have taken the court or the case from treasonable felony to terrorism. They are now charging Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for terrorism. The same thing now. The people said, Simon Ekpa, this is who you are. Come to think of it, the same people that said they should crucify Simon Ekpa, they are not the same people saying that, oh, Simon Ekpa is now out of the way, and still what is happening is still happening. That means, oh, Simon Ekpa was not the one doing everything after all. Simon Ekpa was innocent after all. It is too late to cry. It is obvious that somebody, somewhere, somehow, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have heard it that Simon Ekpa is arrested. And he will be so disappointed, say, oh, even when they arrest Simon Ekpa, everything is now worse. Do you know that I wish Simon Ekpa is not out of the way? When Mazi Nnamdi Kanu want to appear in court, Simon Ekpa will create awareness. Oh my goodness. He will create big awareness. He will make the world know that the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra is about to appear in court, and everybody will be to your tent, oh Israel. They want to know the outcome of the court. But since Simon Ekpa is out of the way, what happened? People were not even aware. Nothing was even done. Nothing. Even the people that call themselves leadership of the indigenous people of Biafra, there is nothing that shows that they are in support of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu going to court. People that are not saying they should crucify Simon Ekpa, I was thinking that by now they will be happy, they will be jubilating, they will be saying, oh, thank God, Simon Ekpa is out of the way, oh, glory be to God. But the people now, they are now sad. In fact, they regret every action they have taken concerning Simon Ekpa. In their mind, I wish the hand of the clock can be reversed back. They would have loved to have Simon Ekpa with them presently, because now they have seen that nothing is happening without Simon Ekpa. They have seen the innocence of Simon Ekpa everywhere. Being that it's now the right time for the federal government of Nigeria to deal with them. Yes, so it is the time for the federal government to deal with them. That is why now they are crying Adino. They are crying everywhere. Oh, we don't know it like this. Oh, we didn't know it's like that. I wish we knew. Oh, would have not allowed Simon Ekpa to go, would have support him. Now, it's time for you to support Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. The support that you refuse to give to Simon Ekpa, can you not give it to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? You can see the way Mazi Nnamdi Kanu did not even trust anybody around him anymore. The time that the lawyers should address the press, it was Mazi Nnamdi Kanu now coming out to address the press himself, because he does see 99. He have seen something that prompts him to say, no, I have to speak for myself. I have to represent myself. So the question is, after everything that you have done for Simon Ekpa to move out of the way, hey, the governors, the leaders, the Ohanese, everybody that is in support of you guys saying, oh, Simon Ekpa is the devil in human form, are they not today raising their voice for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? The question and the answer is no. The people that finally support Mazi Nnamdi Kanu when Simon Ekpa was still doing what he was doing, they have turned their back. They don't care right now. They don't even bother. In fact, they are less concerned about the situation and the court ruling of Simon Ekpa or of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. We remember even when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's wife dropped a picture that she snapped with Bianca Ojukwu. In fact, it was a remembrance to them. They were so happy. That time they loved, they shagged them. Then Bianca Ojukwu said, you guys should not worry, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be released. Tinubu will release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, bra bra bra. And now as I'm talking to you, Bianca Ojukwu and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu case, they are nowhere to be found. So my beautiful family, what did I know? I'm just here to keep you real. Thank you so much, everyone, and do it to share our videos, like and subscribe. We still remain your one and only Progress the Analyst, and we will keep updating you on all the latest happening. Thank you and bye for now.